Welcome to Learning English with Captain Binoy Varakil, Assistant Professor, Department of English, St. Joseph's College, Calicut, Kerala. We learn the word stress, and we know that words of more than one syllable take the primary word stress as well as the secondary word stress, and we are learning the important rules of word stress because we know that word stress is rather irregular and unpredictable. Okay, so far in the past we learned two rules we learned about word stress, and now we come to the third rule of word stress, and this is important and this is easy to understand. Words of two syllables beginning with the prefix dis, okay, take the primary stress on the second syllable. So words of two syllables or disyllabic words, we have monosyllabic words, disyllabic words, tri or trisyllabic words, and tetra for penta, 5 syllabic words, polysyllabic words, right? And we are at the moment speaking about words of two syllables. Okay, so words of two syllables beginning with the prefix dis, take the primary stress on the second syllable. So we have here I have already written 3 words to learn the rule. That is, of course, disarm, okay, disarm, disarm, the two syllables dis and arm, okay, a long sound, disarm. Next is disband, disband. I am rewriting because there is some clarity problem. It is disband, okay. So disband, stress is here on the second one, disband. The next is discuss, okay. Here, this is the most, here band, okay. So it is primary stress is marked with the vertical bar above and in front of the syllable. Let's look at some more words which will help us to understand this particular rule. And the next is disdain, okay, disdain, 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 okay. So it is disdain, okay, disdain. All right, so the primary stress is falling on the second syllable, disdain. The next is, okay, dismay, okay, is a phonetic symbol, so it is it should not look like the letter, it should look like, of course, the phoneme or phonetic symbol, and it is dismay, okay, may. It is on the second syllable, dismay. The other one is disturb, easy to understand. We are familiar with all these words. It is, of course, disturb, and it would be disturb, okay, long sound and it is disturb. First syllable, second syllable. Most important, the second one, okay. Disturb, dismay. Next is disgrace, disgrace, G-R-A-C-E, that is disgrace, alright. And it is, oh, I'm sorry, sir, I missed sir, so that would be, I'm just rewriting that part, disgrace, right? Yes, disgrace and grace. This is the second syllable is the most important, and we say disgrace. And the next is, of course, disguise, okay. That is, of course, disguised as a stranger right? That is disguise. Let us learn that. D-I-S-G-U-I-S-E is disguise. Okay? Disguise. And is disguise. Disguise. Alright? Disguise. Disguise. Alright? So, it is very easy to understand. Maybe we will learn one more. That is, of course, distract. Distract. Look at that. Distract. Alright? We are transcribing it. Distract. Act. Okay? Distract. Okay? And this is the second one. And we are marking it there. So you see, we studied the third rule of word stress. Words of two syllables or D-syllabic words take the primary word stress on the second if they begin with the prefix dis. So in all this we have the prefix dis, right? Disarm, disband, okay? The most important syllable is of course the second one. We say disarm, disband, discuss, disdain, dismay, disturb, disgrace, and disguise. So also we say distract. So with this we have learned the third rule of word stress, and now we move on to the fourth in the next lecture. Thank you very much for listening. May God bless you.